everybody, it's your girl Simply Anna. Welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Make sure you smash that like button and place a comment down below. Okay, let's get into it. So it feels like it's been a month of Sunday since we last had a Nature Boy update, but we do have something significant, so I wanted to go ahead and bring it to you. Some of you may have heard that Nature Boy, through his attorney, submitted a motion for a bond hearing a couple of weeks back. That motion has been granted and his bond hearing has been set. So, for those of you who monitor his bond hearings, it has been scheduled for January 13th, 2023 at 10 a.m. before the Honorable Judge Stacy K. Hydrick. So I know that I'm thinking back now, I believe this will be if we add his first appearance when he saw the magistrate court judge. I feel like this might be his fourth bond hearing. So typically when the attorney would submit the motion for the bond hearing, they would list out the reasons that they feel bond should be granted. And they usually address the Iola factors. In this particular case, the first one that she lists that is different is that Nature Boy has been locked up since April 14, 2022, and he has not been granted bail. And then she goes into the other factors, that he poses no risk in fleeing the jurisdiction, no significant risk at being a threat or a danger to the public, no signs or risk to the community, no threat of committing another felony while out on bond, and no threat of intimidating witnesses or otherwise obstructing the administration of justice. And this is pretty typical because it does address the Iola factors. Now, I'm not sure if the attorney will have witnesses lined up that will provide testimony as to why they know, because of their relationship with him, that he poses no risk to the community or any of the other factors. Now, if they do have witnesses lined up, hopefully they are better witnesses than the ones that Mr. Edie brought, or at least they are better prepared to answer questions, because that was an epic failure as far as I could see in that particular bond hearing, where he had a few witnesses that spoke on his behalf and they were obviously not prepared. But do I think that he will be granted bond? I think that this is probably his best shot. Now, I don't know what his conduct has been like since he's been in the county jail. I know that they've had to address some issues with like the streaming of phone calls over Bigo and other social media platforms. But other than that, I don't know of any conduct issues that he's had. I think that he could have some possibilities if he's able to prove that he will have somewhere to stay in Atlanta, where they could possibly put him on a tether to ensure that he returns to court. And the fact that he did submit a motion for a speedy trial that has technically been exhausted. So I think that could play a part in it. So do I think he'll get bond? I don't know, but I think this is going to be his best shot. So I, like some of you, will be waiting until January 13th to see what the Judge Honorable Stacy Hydrick has to say. And let me know down in the comments what you think. Do you think that he'll get bond this time? Do you think there's no way, shape, or form he will ever get bond? Let me know. Until the next time, you guys stay blessed.